You will be amazed by this 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This stylish CR-V Hybrid is not only highly pleasing to drive, it also offers climate-friendly hybrid efficiency, a tasteful interior loaded with desirable tech, generous standard driver assist safety features, and a spirit of adventure that shines through on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, power liftgate, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated front seat. Get the fuel efficiency you need and the style and versatility you want in this ingenious CR-V Hybrid. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.